has the multiverse theory now been debunked. Physicists at Hiroshima University have performed what they describe as a more complex technique of the double slit experiment, and that they directly measured a photon being in two places at the same time.
No.
The double slit experiment is this famous illustration where if you push particles like sand through, you'll get this pattern. But if you push something like water or sound, you'll get this pattern. Photons, which are particles of light, can behave like both. Elementary particles, like photons, are kind of weird and can behave differently based on whether or not we're observing them. When we don't look, it behaves like a wave and in some sense is going through both slits at the same time. When we do look, it makes a decision and picks a slit. The multiverse theory, which is where there are a bunch of universes on top of this one, kind of like in Doctor Strange, is one of the arguments as to where that photon is disappearing off to. These physicists are saying, no, we can observe a photon going through both slits at the same time. It's not leaving the universe.
It's been Palpatine all along.
Grossly summarized, they used a technique called weak measurement, which takes very faint recordings of a photon. They then used a glass plate to twist its polarization and then measured the results at the exit. Meaning they found a way to identify that the photon was passing through the area, that it never left the universe. The paper is being hotly debated, so I'm sure we'll learn more in the coming months. But for now, this is still as realistic as it was before.